Hello, my lovelies! It's Susanna, and today I want to show you how to solve this problem. Which number is missing in the red box of the addition wall? Okay, we have an addition wall here, and we have to find the number that is missing here in this red box. An addition wall means that you always add two numbers that are next to each other and write the result in the number on top here. So you add these two, and the result goes here. So this means that we can start here. We want to add these two numbers and get this result. So 27 plus which number equals 42? It's 27 plus 15. Okay, we don't have a lot of these numbers in here, so maybe we start from the base and just say, okay, I don't know the number that is in here, I just call it x, and I don't know this number here, I just call it y, and then I go from here. So if I add these two, I get this result here. So if I do 6 plus x, this is my result. And if I add these two, I get my red box here. So x plus y is what we're looking for. And if I add these two, y plus 15, I get this box here. Okay, x and y are my variables. If I had two equations, I could solve this system of equations for x and y. So how do I get two equations here? Well, if I add these two boxes, I get this result. So this is a first equation. If I do 6 plus x, and I add this box to this, so I add x plus y, then I get a result of 15. This is my first equation. And my second equation, I get with these two boxes. So I take this one, my x plus y, and I add the other box, the y plus 15, and then I get a result of 27. Okay, I now have my system of equations, two variables. Let's solve this. Maybe we start by simplifying each equation. So we have x plus x here, which equals 2x. And the same here with the y's. Y plus y equals 2y's. And I wrote this down here again. And there are several ways how to solve such a system of equations. But I would like to solve the first equation for y, because we only have one y in here and it's easy to solve for y, and then plug it into this y here in the second equation. So we take the first equation and solve it for y first. If we want to do this, we want to get rid of this stuff here, so we subtract it on both sides of the equation so that we get 6 minus 6 cancels out, 2x minus 2x cancels out, and only our y is left. And on the other side, 15 minus 6 equals 9, and the minus 2x. So we solve for y. And on the next page, I replace the first equation by this variation here. So it starts with y equals this. And now I want to plug it into the second equation. So my second equation looks like this then. I have my x, I have the 2, and instead of the y, I write this expression here, the 9 minus 2x in parentheses, because I want to multiply everything by my 2. Then I have the 15, and on the other side, the 27. Now I only have one equation here, and there is only x in here as a variable, so let's solve for x. Maybe we get rid of the parentheses first. So we multiply everything by the 2's. 2 times 9 equals 18, and 2 times negative 2x is negative 4x, plus the 15 and the 27 on the other side. Let's simplify. X minus 4x equals negative 3x, and then the 18 and 15 equals 33, and on the other side our 27. Let's solve for x by getting rid of the 33 here, so we subtract it on both sides of the equation so that we have the negative 3x here, but these two cancel out. On the other side, we have 27 minus 33, which is negative 6. And to solve for x, we just have to get rid of the negative 3 here, so we divide both sides by negative 3. This cancels out, our x is left, and negative 6 over negative 3 equals 2. We found our value for x, and now let's insert this into the first equation for my x here to find my y. So y equals 9 minus 2 times my x, and my x was 2, so I insert it here. And if I calculate this, 9 minus 4 equals 5, so I found my y as well. We go back to the beginning, where we had our addition wall. We have x, which equals 2 now, and y, which equals 5. We were looking for the red box, so we just have to add these two. It's 2 plus 5, which equals 7. Of course, you can fill out the other boxes as well if you want to. We have 6 plus 2, which equals 8. And on the other side, we have 5 plus 15, which equals 20. And then this wall works, and we've solved this problem. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care.